So the Xiaomi 17 and 17 Pro come with Xiaomi's file manager, but the file manager for Xiaomi is not the best. Okay, it has a lot of limitations, especially if you're coming from a history of Android files. It's really not the best. You can't even find the recycle bin. I mean, there's a better file manager that you can use, and the best file manager you could use is the Google File Manager. So simply go to the Google Play Store, and of course, if you don't know how to set up the Google Play Store, I'll leave a video linked in the description. So just open the Google Play Store and then go and find Google Files. So just look for that application. It's actually called Files by Google. So this is the app you want. So go ahead and tap on it to install it, because this app, when you sign in with your Google account, then you can access all your files from any device that you have. So it wants to access info about installed apps. I'm going to allow and hit continue. Allow access to manage all files. I'm gonna give that permission. And here's the Files app by Google. Okay, now all the files will automatically be populated here. You can see images and all and whatnot, and of course you have the access to internal storage, and of course if you have external storage through an SD card, you can do that as well. All right, now this one, the beauty about it is it has a recycle bin where you can access recently deleted files that you can recover, and that's not available on the default file manager. So there's Google Files, Files by Google, that you can use as a better file manager for your Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.